Well, good morning everybody. And again, we're up here on the flat roof. We got the underlayment, which was called the base sheet, which I found that out later as I kept calling it something else. But we got that laid yesterday, and today we've done a few little things prepping, but looky what got rolled out today. This is the top coat. Cap sheet, excuse me. This is the cap sheet.
I know so much about this because I've done this. This is the first time. I know tons about it because the Dunning-Kruger effect.
Yeah.
Look it up.
Anyway, it's exciting to see the final product all laid out, ready to go. And I got to do some arts and crafts this morning, so that was fun. And but we're excited. And
she's getting into flashing.
Yeah.
I don't know. Flashing on the roof like this, you're gonna get arrested.
Well, just a quick look. I wanted to show you the magnolia trees this morning. They've got beautiful blossoms, and all at the top of the trees. There's some of them are starting to go down, but the first permanent strip is down, and that's exciting. The footprints you see are mine.
You need granules.
Yeah, but that's okay. It is what it is. So Frank's going down to get this side. Okay, for all of those who noticed that he did not do half of right here, that's because we don't have the slate on this side done. So what we're going to do is, that hangover is going to be cut off anyway, but we're going to just button cap nail that down until we can revisit that. But that's the only places where the slate is not done. So this is the first side. It is completely done, permanent fix. That edge over there will be all permanent fixes. And as you can see, we don't have the slate here, so we'll have to just button cap it like we did with the undersheet. Trying to get as much done as we can before the rain. However, we do know that the roof is weather tight, so that's good. And like we said over here, we just fastened it down until we can revisit it with the slate on. The rain is a-coming, so we're gonna call it for the day. But it is so exciting to see all of this down. I mean, it is so satisfying to see Miss Mooreland get a new roof. But oh, how exciting. I know. Who gets so excited about a roof? I do. Good morning, everybody. We are back at it again today. We are gonna finish this up today. It's actually not supposed to rain today. It just looks like it. So we got the perimeter done. So now we're getting some long sheets and we're very excited because this top cap sheet, as Frank puts it, that's what I said, yep. Cap sheet, it is almost down. We do a half of it at a time just to make sure it rolls on as straight as possible.
That's how they say to do it on the videos.
On the videos. Right. Those 2 rolls are done. That's great. Getting the squeeze out along the edges. It's looking good. All right. Look, everybody. The last roll. Big roll, long roll.
It's just half a roll.
Well.
It's the ridge, though.
It's the ridge.
If you can tell, it's the ridge. This is the ridge right here.
Right there.
And it slopes a whole 1 inch per 12.
So 1 inch from the top.
So it's called a flat roof.
Yeah. But we'll torch that down, and then we have some flashing around the chimney. Edges to get a little squeeze out. And that creates seals it real well. Silicone heat-resistant gloves that he has on.
Silicone gloves get hot.
Mm-hmm. And there's that side all done. We have this little spot right here, and that's all that's left.
And fresh.
Yeah, you're doing a good job, Bubby.
Look at Gary Lou. She's cutting out little bow ties, having little arts and crafts up on the roof.
Yeah.
That's sweet. Those are reinforcements for my outside corner flashing around this cheer chimney. They'll be on those corners. Right there, and there. Once I get through flashing around, and then the counter flashing will go. And then there are no leaks. No leaks, no whammies. And we definitely need to repoint this chimney one of these days. But not today.
Now it's Frank's turns for arts and crafts. He's just torching it down, wrapping it around.
Torch down.
Yeah. That's the last of the torching, baby. Okay, Frank bent some metal for counter flashing. And that goes over that up there. So very cool. See, here's that counter flashing. And we've got it, the object is to tuck it back underneath the stones. And bend it.
That's the object.
That's the object. Look everybody, it's done. It's done. How exciting! Frank did an awesome job.
It only took a year to do a 4-day roofing job.
Only. But that's okay.
The roofing job only took 4 days.
So, I'm so excited.
She's not gonna leak anytime soon.
No, she's not.
That's a 40-year roof right there.
That is so exciting. It may be the same color, but
it doesn't have holes in it.
There's no
wood
holes.
doesn't have holes in it.
And we had so much prep work to do before we got to this point, but this is exciting. So this is a huge permanent fix for this house. Miss Mooreland is going to stay dry, and we are so happy that it's done. No, I want to brush you with it. Don't you want to be brushed? Hmm? There. Oh, no, no. Brush, 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 brush. Brush, brush, brush. Yeah. Brush, brush. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Mia, you silly girl.